Thinking buying property in Spain feelings overwhelming? Buying in Spain isn't complicated when you have the right team by your side. First, we help you to choose the right property. You can visit in person or we can organize a virtual tour with our property expert. Like what you saw, you transfer the deposit and we take the property off the market. Next, our lawyer conduct a full due diligence check. Verify documents, verify all the debts, and legal ownership. If everything is okay, we sign the contract of intent. After, we assist you to obtain your NIE, Foreigner Identification Number, opening Spanish bank account, full legal support during the notary signing and property registration. You're never alone. We are with you till you get the keys. If you would like to receive a full checklist with all the steps, comment checklist and I'll send it to you personally.